All right, y'all, here we go. I just made a deposit of 62 bucks, as you can see there, and we're gonna go live with real funds. Just check everything is normal. 60 seconds. We're gonna go live as normal, and we're gonna try to make 2.5% each session. I will show you shortly my spreadsheet. 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. So yeah, I've got my spreadsheet right here, 2.5% per session. And if all goes smoothly, every 10 sessions, I will plan to cash out some funds, so slowly withdraw my initial capital and roll with it. So I've got the spreadsheet. So 4 trades, 4 losses will be a loss of 45%, so half of my balance, okay? But yeah, so 1,308. So 1,308, and over here we have 743, 1650. 7.43, 1650. There you go. So those are the figures. So right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to look for an opportunity. I'm going to pause the video whenever I find something that in my crank cut or crank down, I will press record and show you my plays. Okay. Euro GBP. This one might be a good one. Euro GBP. It was on downtrend. It went above the 50 SMA. So we potentially gonna have a pump to the upside. But at the same time, because the trend is shifting from downtrend to uptrend, it might take a while to crank up. So I might leave it alone for now. As you can see, the momentum is not that strong. So I might just leave it alone. Ooh, while I'm looking for something else. So yeah, let me keep looking, and if I find something, I will come back. Okay, guys, we have this one right here. Potentially, it's gonna crank to the downside. And by the way, I forgot to mention 2.5%. Where is it? Right here. We need to be at 63.55 in order to conclude the first. You're already dumping. In order to conclude the first session. So yeah, you're already dumping. So I'm gonna leave it alone. Let's continue the chase. Okay, we got tone coin right here. So let's see what the next candle looks like. It doesn't bring much confidence. It's red, it's supposed to be green. Because we are expecting to have a continuation to the upside. But momentum is very slow, so we might just leave it alone. I thought that would be a good opportunity. Let's look at the next few candles. We might consolidate a little bit, or maybe not. Yes, momentum is shifted, but it's not reversing. Just keeps on going down. Meantime, not much is happening. I've been all over these currencies that pay 92%, up to 90%, and we don't see much stuff going on. At least that meets our criteria. Okay. Seems like he's gonna rank up. So let's go back to so seems like it's gonna crank up now. He's getting the momentum. So let's have a look at the next candle. Ooh, he stopped there. It's taking too long to crank up, so let's leave it alone. Okay, this one might be a good catch because momentum is shifting. Oh, I thought this one would be a doji candle. Well, it's breaking above the 50 SMA, but that doesn't mean it's gonna have a continuation. The way he broke above, but then got pushed down, so it might happen again. So he's slowly building the downtrend. So if this one looks a bearish candle, we're gonna go in on the next one. Let's have a look. Okay, looks good. We are in. We are in on the second one. Let's see if it keeps pushing down. Okay, we won the first one, only won the second one. And we reached the session target, which is 66, 67. Well, um, first session targets was 64.49. So we are here, 66, 67. So let's continue and let's see if we can get to, I don't know, 5 sessions. So full sessions is $10. So let's see if we can bring the balance to $70. That would be 10%. Okay, we have USD Rube. Let's see, is reaching the 50 SMA. So you can see right there, it's reaching the 50 SMA. So the trend is down, so we're looking to sell. So let's see if the momentum slows down and we catch the ride. So right now there was some support here, resistance. We broke the support right now, as you can see. But that doesn't mean it's gonna have a continuation to the upside. We're just pumping a little bit higher than normal. Right, so that's the zone. Okay, it's retracting. If this one is a bearish candle, we might try to catch the next one because we still think that it's going to go down, right? It's pulling up too much, so we might struggle a bit to go down. And if you look here, it's doing lower highs right there. It matches perfectly. So we were hoping to see a rejection, not breaking above this line, and gets rejected to the downside. But again, this is an area of interest. You can see right here in the past. And in the past was an area of support. So it might take a while for us to see this trade developing. Yeah, momentum got very, very weak. You can see via these small candles. So he's still failing to break above this line. Okay, he's going up. Seems like he's listening to me. Okay, this one is taking too long and just not doing what it's supposed to do, like getting rejected and continue to go down. So we're gonna leave it alone. Okay, we got the AVAX here. So we were on a strong downtrend, and recently price is creeping back up. Came over here to retest the 50 SMA, and I'm hoping to see a continuation to the upside. But we're not seeing any green candles, so the continuation to the upside might be false. So it might just be a continuation to the downside. And if that's the case, I'm just going to leave it alone because it's going to go against the trade that I'm expecting to play. So it might be a risky one. Okay, we have this X Mobile. We're expecting a continuation to the upside after this pullback. You can see right here, it's doing higher lows and also higher highs. Okay, so we are expecting to see a continuation to the upside. I thought this kind of would um, turn green, either this one or this one, or this one is bearish going down. So we might not see a continuation to the upside after all. It might just be a reverse in the trend. Yeah, it doesn't look great. So we're gonna leave it alone. Okay, we're back to Rub, USD Rub, and it feels like it's finally dumping. And yeah, it broke a little bit above the line. We went back to it, and they're still sticking to the downtrend. And as you can see, consolidate around this zone right there, where it's getting rejected. So we are looking to see a dump, a continuation to the downside. But this previous high was broken by this one, so we might see a shift because we no longer see a decline. So the line is getting flat. So the trend might be shifting with this new high. So let's see what happens. It's looking good going down. Yeah, it's just into mine, so leave it alone. Okay, we have CHF JPY. We starting to get an uptrend. So this is a consolidation zone. We're just looking to see if it's gonna break out of here or not. Yeah, it's looking good so far, and it's out of the zone. So even though that's not the first, that's the third candle, so it might be a little bit too late. But if the trend continues to the upside, we'll try to catch depending on how this candle will close. Okay, this is the third candle, looks bullish. We might come over here to this zone to test it before it continues to go up. Yeah, buyer still in charge. We're gonna wait for the next candle. The next candle might be a push up. Not much momentum there. Buyer still in charge, still pushing the price up. Even though we got red candles. Potentially might come to revisit this area before continues to go up if the continuation to the upside will be true. But from the past, you can see this chart is a bit messy. So I'm gonna give it a few more candles. Okay, seems like it's pushing. Yeah, okay. We're gonna wait for the next candle. This is a good push. Let's see what happens. The next one. Yeah, it's just in 2 minds. Feels like it's gonna push up, but it might consolidate a little bit longer than expected. Let's have a look at the next candle. Yeah, it's just not cranking up, and we missed the second and third candle, so forget about it. Okay, we have the Euro CHF here. CHF, Euro CHF. It's coming close to the 50 SMA, and we are expecting to continue to the upside. As you can see, we are on the uptrend. We were on downtrend, we went sideways for a bit, and now we are going up. So we are looking to play buy positions. Okay, this is going to potentially going to be the first candle. Let's see how strong this candle is. Not that strong. Not that strong. Mm, okay. The momentum is shifted, but the buy is still not in control here. Let's see what happens on this one. It seems like it's going to come down to test the 50 SMA, like it did over here in the past. Okay. Seems like buyers want to push the price up, but sellers are still pushing. Okay, touched there, close to it. But we want to see a slow momentum like this, small candles, and then green candles. But yeah, if it keeps pushing down, then it might take a while to see a reverse, if it's gonna be a reverse. Okay, this is green. This one might be green as well. Nope, I spoke too soon. So yeah, potentially the next one will be the candle to trade. But yeah, sellers are still pushing the price down. So it depends how this one's gonna look like. Not having much confidence on the next candle. Yeah, not having much confidence on it. Okay, it's going. Yeah, it's too risky, this one. It keeps going up and down very fast. Even though this is the third candle, I wasn't too confident. You could see that these candles, they are going up and down very fast. So just leave it alone. Okay, we got this one right here. We're expecting to go down. As you can see right here, we are on the downtrend. It's doing lower highs and not lower lows, but lower highs. So expecting to hit the 50 SMA and gets rejected. So we gotta be fast on this one. Right? It's not going down. God damn it. Today we're not having much luck. Seems like he wants to push down. I'm just gonna leave it. The X Mobile again. Let's see. We can catch it this time. So last time we were here somewhere, but it took some time to crank up. So we didn't place the trade, but it's doing higher highs. So expecting to come to the 50 SMA and continue to the upside. There you go. Ah, this wasn't a green candle. I was expecting this to be green. Seems like we're gonna have a play on the next candle. Let's look. Ooh, that's a very strong one. I think we have no play left because that's a very strong one. Yeah. Mm, still going up. Okay. Okay, we missed it. We slept on it. We slept on it big time. Damn it. But no trade is better than a bad trade. That's a nice pump. And I think I'm gonna call it a day, guys, because I'm not seeing much at this time that meets the criteria. I'm not seeing much that meets the criteria. So I might just call it a day. I think we scored 2 sessions in this video. Let's have a look. Just one last quick look through all these pairs and see if we got some. I'm even going below 90% just to play some trades. So I'm forcing to get some trades. Okay, a big dump. Right. Let's see. Chain link is doing high lows. Well, it was doing high lows until it broke over here. And he was doing higher highs as well, but it failed to, continue. So we might have a breakout to the downside. Seems like it's going to be that. BTC. Don't like the way the chart looks. Right. We're going to go to stocks. Oh, it reached that level and it's going to have a continuation. Alibaba. Yeah, guys, I just went up through all the pairs that are paying up to 80% and not much is happening. So I think I'm just gonna call it a day. Run away with my gains. Be back tomorrow for more. Okay, this one is on a downtrend. It's coming close to the 50 SMA. So let's see what happens with this one. It's touching the 50 SMA. We're in a downtrend, as you could see. So let's see what happens. See if it's gonna get rejected. It's doing lower highs. Okay, lost. Something like this. You could say touching this over there. So if this is true, it might pump a little bit too close to this line, but it might not happen. So we got a red candle here that's showing the momentum is shifting. So this potential is going to be the first candle, and we might, well, it's green. I was about to say, if this is red, we might take the next one. But okay, it's turning red. Well, it's trying to. So this might be a red candle. We're going to try to catch the next one. This would be a good catch. We'll try to catch the next one. Second candle. It's pushing too much. That's what I was about to say. It's pushing too much. Yeah, price is still in 2 months, but he's losing the momentum going up, which is good to see. That's what we want because we want to go down with it. So let's see what happens. Still very indecisive. This one was a good push to the downside, but ended up being green, so it's not good for us. There you go. It's testing their zone, their line. So let's see what happens. Let's see if it's going to get rejected or just continue. Okay. Yeah, I just picked up a little bit. Red candle. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay. Is this okay? This might be the opportunity. I thought this would be a continuation, but I think the it depends how this one's gonna close. But I feel like this is getting close to the moment where it's gonna dump. It's still very risky. Yeah, it's still very risky. Might consolidate just like it did over here, back and forth. But then eventually it dumps. Well, it's doing small candles and lower candles, but it just might take a bit too long. Look at this one. So many candles there. Okay, seems like it's pushing now. It's either going to be this one or potentially the next two candles. Because yeah, it's picking up. It's just too risky. Not worth it. Just too risky. It's just going up and down. Not worth it. So I'm going to have one last look. And yeah, if nothing is up, I'm going to call it a day. It's not even going down. It's going up. The opposite. That's why sometimes you just got to be patient. It's doing lower highs, this one, so it can be a risky one. Not too late. Okay, this one is cranking up to the upside. So it's dumping right now. AUD cards. Let's see if reverses and continues to go up or just continues to go down. We might hit the support there. Let's see. Okay, it's reacting. Good. That's good to see. Even though the payout is 87%, I'm willing to go with it. Yeah, this candle is looking good. We might take the trade in the next candle. Being decisive there. That candle was indecisive. It didn't give me confidence to go with it. But yeah, we missed it. And that was the second candle. Yeah, the first few seconds was very indecisive, so I wasn't too sure about it. But I should have gone at least with one trade. And then if it went down, I would go for the second trade. That's what I should have done. Okay, keeps pushing up. Yeah, we missed it because it was very indecisive, so I wasn't too sure. Not sure, confident about it. Right, so one last look. Cryptos. Let's see. Bitcoin ETF. Chart doesn't look good. I don't like this chart. It looks very ugly. Okay, this one is pulling back. Yeah, the pullback. Okay. Here we go again, X mobile. Let's see. Mhm. Okay, we're going in there because that's the second candle. Second trade there. Let's see. Oh, that was close. That was close to the first trade. But we got the second one. So 68.44. That was a close one. Just a few more seconds and we would got it. But yeah, we got it. So that's it. That's all good. We got the second one. And yeah, I'm gonna call it a day, guys, because not much is happening. The market is very quiet. Maybe because it's Friday. I don't know, but it's taking too damn long. And the payouts are very, very low for most of those pairs. So just call it quits, and I'll be back tomorrow. Doing all highs. Yeah, not much is happening. So as you can see, we only got three pairs paying 92, but all of them 90 and below. So yeah, maybe because it's Friday, I don't know, but the payouts are not great. So yeah, 68.44. So 68.44. So that means we've done 3 sessions. So we do this. So 3 sessions done, and yeah, that's it. So we made what 63. We made close to $4. So all is good. So stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.